Hello everyone, this is a 2005 Acura MDX. We're gonna do a review on rear view camera. Yeah, when your rear view camera is acting up, maybe it's not working or something like that. Let me just show you. Put your car in reverse and nothing shows up. I'm gonna show you how to fix it. There we go. Let me show you how to get that problem solved. Yeah, you see this housing for wire, this and this at the back of the car. You understand? Let's check them and see which one has a disconnected cable. Now look at this. I've once fixed this, but I didn't do it well. So look at this wire. I'll find the other one. This is the wire responsible for that reverse camera. Once you join this, I find any cable that has just cut on any of the sides, I fix it back. Just a simple stuff. Once you do that, the reverse camera comes on. So you can see these two cables here. Look at them. Once you just fix this back properly, your reverse camera, boom, comes on. But before you do this, make sure you disconnect your battery terminals. Make sure you disconnect your battery terminals. Up again, and my camera is working normal now, so it's not a big deal. I hope this helps. I hope this helps some of us. I have this issue on our MDX 2001-6 version.